Hey Scrappers, Tom here from the iScrap app. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page to learn more about the scrap metal and how to make more money with it. What is scrap metal? How can you make more money with it? Do you need more money? I mean, these are all questions that I'd love to answer. Scrap metal is any type of metal that's recyclable. In front of me, I have a whole array of different things, but where do you find stuff like this? How do you process stuff like this? And what can you do to make money with it? So let's go with a simple idea. You have a shower door in your house. The shower needs to be replaced. The glass panels are obviously garbage. Well, what about the aluminum frame? Most of the time, whoever takes that aluminum door out is going to take the frame with them, and they are going to sell that aluminum to a scrapyard. But if you know that metals equal money, now you can start to look at things differently. When you throw out your old microwave, well, should you throw it out on the curb or can you get a couple of dollars for it? When you have an old air conditioner and the Freon is gone, are you able to do something like having it drained, and then from there you can take it apart and make more money with it? What about that old lawn chair, that old beach chair that's just broken, that has a hole in it and your butt cheek kind of slides through, right? Well, what happens if you clean that up and you sell that for scrap? So now you have an idea where and what types of things in your house you might get it from, and it could be things like old internet cords, old electronics like laptops and computers. So now you have an idea that things are worth money. What do you do from there? Well, you use the iScrap app to be able to find scrapyards that are close to you. And take my word for it, there's lots and lots of scrapyards out there, but the iScrap app gives you the ability to find ones that have reported prices, have prices on them so you can learn about what the markets are. And once you learn about that, you can call these scrapyards up to learn how they do things. Because not all scrapyards buy material the same. Some scrapyards have minimums. Some scrapyards don't buy from the public, they only buy from commercial vendors. These are important things to really know. So how can you prepare your material to know what you have? Right off the bat, a magnet. If you have a magnet and you put it up to a piece of metal and it sticks, oh, that one doesn't, but this one does, that's how you know that you have steel. So right off the bat, you'll know that a magnet sticks to steel. That's a basic ABC of scrap. Well, what happens if you have big attachments on the end of the line? You're like, oh my gosh, I think this is too big. Well, you can take a pair of clips and you're able to clean it. Plastic is off, now you have more material there. Well, Tom, I saw another video where it says that I can strip my material to make more money. Well, now maybe you're able to take a piece of material and strip the jacket off. And once you strip the jacket off, you have a clean copper wire that you're able to sell. Now you can prepare your material, put it in your car to go to the scrapyard. And the first time you go is always funny, right? It's like a first date. I'm not sure what to say. I don't know where to go. So park your car and go and talk to someone. Hey, what do I do? How does the process work? That just familiarizes yourself with it. From there, don't be surprised when they ask you for a driver's license. That's standard across the US and Canada. From there, they're gonna put your material on scales and document them by taking pictures and getting weights. That's standard. And at the end of the transaction, you should get a receipt. That receipt should have your name on it and the list of all of the items and how much money you get, and then you should get paid. Important things to think about. Ask questions if the receipt confuses you. Once you leave, it's hard to know all those questions. When you get paid, count your money if you're getting cash. If you're getting a check, well, now you got to go to the bank, right? So these are things that you need to think about the first time you go to a scrapyard. But after you get that taste of that cash in your pocket for your hard work the first time, and you see that you can make money on extra stuff, it's just going to hook you a little more. That's how you're going to make more money with your scrap. So this is a very roundabout video, and there's going to be lots of questions, so ask them. Ask them at the bottom of this. We'll get you those answers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page so you can see answers on other videos, and we'll make videos off of your questions as well.